Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Gloria, aka Labagamunda. Today's video is all about cabin crew makeover. So it's a makeover that I do anyway, because no way I go out without makeup. But this is in particular on how I become a Gloria, the cabin crew. So let's get started.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to put a like. Do not forget this video is going to be on YouTube, and I'm active especially on Instagram, so do not forget to follow me. Congratulations for the winners of the London challenge. I cannot wait to see all your pictures and videos, so please have fun, and I'm hoping that you're going to follow my guide. So see you in the next video.